Okay, before we get started here, I want to explain the premise of our test. I got two sets of strippers of each kind. I got them exactly the same, and they're all different prices, from commercial electric at $10 to I think the Klein ones were $45 a piece. So we are going to cut one set on a 15 amp 120 volt. We'll take the second set, cut a 20 amp 120 volt, and then whatever one holds up the best, we're going to go ahead and cut this 30 amp 120 volt. All right, first up, commercial electric. Never really used these before, but they were only like $11 at Home Depot. Damage-wise, they're pretty good. You can see the arc cut in there. Next up, South wire. We're gonna see how these ones do. All right, that one did pretty good. Next up, old trusty Ideal. I think these ones are like $25 at the old Platt. All right. Damage. Authentic battle damage. Next up, Old Faithful Klein. These are the Mac Daddy, the most expensive ones you can get here for the most part. With this Klein one, the cut bar was very, very short. So we're gonna go ahead and recut because it hit with the actual stripper part and not with the Klein part. So let's do this again. Trip before it blew. These pliers are going on test number 3 now. Let's see if I flip the wire over and try it again. Ready? Klein, number 3. Here we go. All right, here's the damage. We finally got a cut where the hot in the ground actually hit, it looks like. Okay, we're gonna do Milwaukee now. Here's the Milwaukee ones. Here we go. Here we go. As you can tell, that took a little bit of damage on that one. It blew out that sharp cutting surface. So now we're gonna do the test. We're gonna see how well each of these blown up strippers did for cutting. So we started with commercial electric. This is not live. We're just testing to see if it'll still cut the wire. Hey, commercial electric still function. They would still work. Now we're gonna test with South wire to see if it'll still cut a non-live wire after being blown up. It did pretty good. Next, we're gonna use old Klein to see if it'll still cut wire after blowing everything up. Oh, it kind of caught a little bit there. Then we're gonna go with the Ideal to see if it will still cut a non-live wire after being blown up. Oh, that did pretty good. And now, Milwaukee. Will it still cut a wire after being blown up? Nope, didn't cut all the way through in one cut. Had to do 2, which is pretty normal for this kind of a test.